I think at this point, we all know who Warren Buffett is, one of the world's most successful investors, and he has shared a lot of advice over the years on how to earn money, and here are a few of his tips. So the first one, invest in yourself. Buffett believes that the best investment you can make is in yourself. That means learning as much as you can, staying healthy, and building a relationship with others. Number two is to be patient. Buffett is known for his long-term approach to investing. He believes that people should focus on finding high-quality companies with long-term growth prospects and holding on to them for years or even decades. Keep things simple. Buffett is a big believer in simplicity. He advises people to invest in things they understand and to avoid complex financial products that they don't. Save aggressively. Buffett believes in living below your means and saving aggressively. He has said that he saved 50% of his income when he was starting out, and that saving money is the foundation of building wealth. Avoid debt. Warren Buffett has warned against getting into debt, especially credit card debt. He believes that high interest debt can be a significant burden on people's finances and can make it difficult to build wealth. Don't try to time the market. Buffett has famously said that he tries to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. He advises people not to try to time the market and instead focus on buying quality investments at fair prices. Invest in index funds. Buffett is a big fan of index funds, which are low-cost investment vehicles that track the performance of an index, such as the S&P 500. He believes that most people are better off investing in index funds than trying to pick up individual stocks. Overall, Buffett's advice on how to earn money boils down to being patient, investing in yourself, keeping things simple, and living below your means. By following these principles, he has been able to build one of the most successful investing track records in history.